Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make cream cheese frosting. I use cream cheese frostings all the time in my baking. I love the extra flavor and balance it gives against the sweetness of the cakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make both a vanilla white cream cheese frosting as well as a chocolate version so that you can use either in your baking. To start, you'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and you'll want to make sure that's softened to room temperature. Just plop that into a mixing bowl, and then you'll also add in half a cup of salted butter that's also been softened, and whip these together. Give that a good solid minute of whipping for best results. You want the butter and cream cheese to be light and fluffy. Then we're going to add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and give that a quick mix. You really only need about a 15-second mix on the vanilla. Next, we're going to start sweetening things up with 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. I like to add my powdered sugar in about half a cup at a time. So just eyeball a little bit of it in there and mix it in between additions. Once all of your powdered sugar is mixed in, you have yourself a white cream cheese vanilla frosting that's ready to use. But if you want to turn it into a chocolate version, you'll add in half a cup of cocoa powder. Now, the color of cocoa powder you use will be the color of the frosting. So if you want a darker chocolate, make sure you use a darker cocoa powder. Hershey's actually sells a special dark cocoa powder that turns the frosting pretty close to black, and it's beautiful. Now, with cream cheese frosting, you need to store it in the refrigerator because of the cream cheese. They recommend that for food safety. So if you frost your cake or cupcakes, make sure you store those in the refrigerator as well. At this point, you're ready to frost. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.